We're going to start off with what once was. This was a colony, one of two, that a lady called me in early part of July and said, I'm moving up north and I'm not taking my bees. Would you like 2 colonies of bees? And I said, sure. So I went and got them. They weren't the nicest bees in the world. I mean, I'd get stung a time or two working them, but I brought them home. This colony that you just saw the remnants of was sitting right here. I've knocked it down to a 5-frame newt from you can see all the dead hive beetles on top. I spent a good 20 minutes starting the bee yard up in an uproar because I had the hive open, killing beetles. I'll walk down here and look at the other one. You can tell that I've been in it because looking at all the snoopers. That's what I call them, snoopers. They're always trying to find a way in. Anyway, I took this one down two boxes. Got both of those boxes in the workshop for giving them to whoever needs it as I go through them one last time here in the next week or so. But this one's a little nicer. But the whole point is, as you can see, I am in these beehives, except for the ones inside the fence, are in the sun from sun up to sundown. Sun comes up over there, comes right across here, and sets right over there all summer long. It sets down that way in the winter. Now, they will tell you, put your hives in the sun, and you will not have hive beetle issues. This is one of 3 that I pulled off that colony. There's another one alive. Smash that booger. This is nowhere near as many as I probably killed 500 with my hive tool and my fingers. That's why the whole bee yard's in an uproar right now, because I had this one open for 20 minutes or more, going through frame by frame of that honey, knocking out hive beetles and killing them. So the moral of this story is, nothing really in beekeeping is written in stone. Not a single thing. They'll tell you, oh, queens hatch on day 16. I've seen them hatch on day 14. I've seen them hatch on day 17 and 18. So nothing really is written in stone except 2 facts. Well, 3 facts actually. You are going to get stung. Bees are going to die. And they gather honey, nectar for honey. Whether you get any or not, they're going to hopefully get enough for them. So take this as whatever you want. But this just proves, in my opinion, that just because you stick them in the sun, it doesn't work. I've got a yard of my genetics across the valley. They're in the shade from at least 11 and noon on for the rest of the afternoon. You won't see nothing like this. I mean, you might go through the hive as you're inspecting and find 10 or 12, and I kill those. But I breed that's one of the criteria for the breeds that I do, is they have to be able to deal with hive beetles. Of course, there's 4 other things that I breed for, but that's beside the point. Right now we're talking about hive beetles. Like I said, you can see all these here. Probably killed 1,000 beetles total between the Swiffer sheets and smashing them. But thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Just a quick tip. Don't believe everything you're told. Question everything.